चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
So right now we have got to know that the Chief Election Commissioner will be visiting the President House, Rashtrapati Bhavan, at around 4:30 p.m. in the evening, and the Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar will be handing over the list of the newly elected MPs in this Lok Sabha. And as we know, what the entire guideline is, that now we know that the government formation will soon happen. Prime Minister Narendra Modi will take oath as the third time as the Prime Minister of the country, and then the oath ceremony. After the oath ceremony, the Parliament has to start, where the MPs will be taking oath, the newly elected member of Parliament, and their list will be given to the President by Chief Election Commissioner today at 4:30 p.m. at Rashtrapati Bhavan in National Capital. And the Chief Election Commissioner earlier also stated that how this election turned out to be the highest electoral festival in this democracy, with 640% of the voting this time, which is the largest ever recorded. And with the new MPs today, list will be given to them. And as we know, from the entire north to south, several new MPs have been elected, several were defeated, and several have been elected. Several are the first time MPs, several are the young MPs, and also we have seen the youngest women and the youngest men MP this time will be in this Lok Sabha, which the proceedings will start in the end of the June and in the first week of July, which will run. But today the Chief Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar at 4:30 p.m. will be going Rashtrapati Bhavan, giving the list of the MPs to President Draupadi Murmu. Back to you.
And is it a standard procedure? Is it a protocol that they go to the Rashtrapati Bhavan and they hand over the list of newly elected MPs, or it is a newly formed protocol or norm here? Can you tell us more about that?
So we have got to know this is the newly formed protocol this time. Every election we have not seen the election commissioner going to the President House and handing over the list of the elected MPs. But this is for the very first time, looking at the electorate and looking at the condition and the structure is being changed in the election commission right now. And that is the reason why this time the Chief Election Commissioner and all the three election commissioners have decided that the list of the MPs should be given to the Rashtrapati Bhavan, to the President Draupadi Murmu. As we know that the dissolution of the earlier Lok Sabha happened yesterday, and the new Parliament, the new Lok Sabha will be formed with the new elected MPs, and therefore this protocol has been applied this time, where the list will be given by Chief Election Commissioner to President Draupadi Murmu. Let me tell you, earlier this procedure never happened. This is the first time when this procedure is being followed. Back to you.